when you connect with nature and you just absorb the trees and the plants and the little animals that live here that are so cute, the rabbits, the hedgehogs, the foxes, the badgers. It's just beautiful to take it all in and to find what makes you happy and what gives you peace.